www.sdk.xailient.com and register for the SDK. Confirm your email by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. To download the SDK, go to the SDK tab on your dashboard and copy the SDK link for the version you want to install. On the terminal of the device where you want to install the SDK, enter wget space -O space name of the output file space double quotes, paste the SDK link, closing double quotes, and hit enter. Unzip the downloaded SDK. I strongly recommend you to read the instructions on the README file carefully before using the SDK. Requisite installation is taken care in the install script you will be using to install the SDK. If any error occurs, you can install them manually as well following the instructions in the README file. Export the library path. This is required as the library depends on some dynamically loaded shared libraries. You can also add the export command in the bash script so that you don't need to export every time you log in. Go to SDK tab on your dashboard and copy the config link. A config link is valid for 30 minutes. If the config link has expired, you can get a new link by clicking Renew Config URL button on the dashboard. On the terminal of your device, enter wget space -O space name of the output file space double quotes, paste the config link, closing double quotes, and hit enter. Copy the config file into the Python SDK folder. Run the install script that is included in the SDK folder. Once the SDK is installed on your device, you will see a new entry for that device on the SDK dashboard. Sample codes are included in the samples folder inside the SDK folder. You can simply run the sample code and see the results for yourself.